Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, simple living, and also minimalism. So today's topic is quite interesting. It's about 5 smart storage swaps to visually declutter any space. Because not all storage is created equal. Some containers actually add to the visual noise while others actually help erase it. So today I'm going to share 5 smart storage swaps that instantly clean up your space, not just physically, but also visually. So these are the kinds of small changes that make a big difference in how your home feels and how it functions. So my first tip today is swap open bins for the lidded baskets. The challenge here is the open bins leave you sharing, just staring at a mess, even if it's technically contained. So choose lidded baskets or opaque bins in neutral tones. And then they instantly reduce the visual noise and they make the shelves look much more intentional. My second tip today is to replace the floating piles with drawer dividers. So if you think about your junk drawers, they become rather chaotic and because everything slides around. So if you try this, use adjustable dividers or small boxes to corral them all by category. It's a simple upgrade that makes even your hidden spaces feel more peaceful. My third tip today is ditch clutter coat hooks for a slim cabinet of some kind. So entryway hooks often overflow with coats, with bags and hats. They're like a clutter magnet, and it's actually in plain sight. So if you install a narrow closed cabinet or a sleek wardrobe tower, it hides the mess and it gives your entry a clean, more polished look. My fourth tip today is use vertical wall storage instead of floor baskets. So if you try this, you just mount the wall pockets or the boards on hanging grids and move items up and off the ground. It clears the floor space and it visually opens up the room for you. And my last tip today is swap out mismatched storage for a unified set. So you've probably all done this. Even organized items can feel chaotic if your containers are all mismatched. So if you try this, just pick one cohesive style that you like, whether it's acrylic or bamboo or white or black plastic. Doesn't really matter, it depends on what you like, and then standardize it across all the shelves. That uniformity creates instant calm. So the right storage doesn't just hold your stuff. It helps calm your mind, clear your mindset, and also give your home a chance to breathe. So if you're ready to take on some more systems even further, check out my Progress Trackers workbook. It's just $4.99, and it helps you track, tweak, and stay consistent across every room of your home. So you'll find the link in the description below. So if today's tips were helpful to you, please like, share, and provide someone else some of that clutter-free space that they might need. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anything you do to help us grow is truly appreciated. I hope this helps.